face in the back of a spoon. You're accusing, you say I'm not here, but I'm here, yes I'm here. I'm not on the moon. I'm leaving so soon, but don't presume to know shit about me, 'cause I don't know myself from one day to the next. And I don't pose perplexities purposely, 'cause it isn't a game, it isn't a test. Now hey you, could you give it a rest? Just take me home, come on and get me undressed. Put on a fire and make it enough for geeks, but we know this is love. 9 a.m. to the beat of a drum as we drive through the canyon. I'm feeling the hum of the engine. My head and my heart are a swim. Will your cat be okay? Your wife, was she in? Your wife, is she in? 'Cause I don't presume to know shit about you, and you won't really tell me until I beg you to. But I know that perplexity is a wonderful thing, 'cause a sudden found joy, the strangeness it brings. And now hey you, could you give it a rest? Just take me home, come on and get me undressed. Put on a fire and make it enough for geeks, but we know this is love, yeah. Geeks, but we know this is love. I like that we argue, but not every day. You're sent in a room, and the way that you say color, not color, what color today? It's gray, gray, it's gray.